Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can delete a repository in GitHub in 2020. Alright, so to do this, make sure you are on github.com. After that, just go up to this sign in button, click on that and enter your username or email and password. After that, just click on sign in. Now in this left sidebar, we see all of my repositories. We can also click on show more to see the full list. In my case, I want to delete this one, this test repository. So click on the repository you want to delete, like so. Okay, so this is the repository we want to delete on GitHub. So to do this, just go to this one, settings, click on that. Okay, so under settings, we're gonna go all the way down to this one, danger zone. So to delete this repository, we're gonna click on this one, delete this repository. Once you delete a repository, there is no going back. Please be certain. Alright, so if you really want to delete this one, click on delete this repository. So now we got this message. Are you absolutely sure? Unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this. Alright, so this action cannot be undone. So this will permanently delete this repository. Wiki, issues, comments, packages, secrets, workflow runs, and remove all collaborators associations. Okay, so to delete this one, we're gonna copy this text to confirm and paste it right here, and this will activate this button. So I understand the consequences, delete this repository. Alright, so if you're really sure you want to delete this one, click on this red button. Like so. So if I go to the left sidebar, click on show more, the test repository is gone. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete a repository in GitHub in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And don't forget to check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day, take care and bye.